Welcome to the Python multiple choice quiz. This is based on lessons 1 to 10 or just a general knowledge quiz. There's 20 questions, they're all code based. Pause the video and reveal the answers. Let's move on to question number 1. Okay, question number 1. What is the output? Print hello world. Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. Print displays the text inside the quotes exactly, even including the punctuation. Question number 2. What concept is being tested here? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. Sequencing. Python runs lines top to bottom in order. Let's move on to question number 3. What is printed? Okay, let's reveal. The correct answer is C. Variables can be updated using their current value. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's have a look at question 4. What data type does input return? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The answer to question 4 is C. Input returns a string as default. Hopefully you're doing okay in the quiz. Let's move on to question 5. A user types 10. What prints? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer to question 5 is B. Int converts input to an integer, so 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Question number 6. Which operator checks equality? Okay, let's reveal the answer. Double equals compares values, equals assigns a variable to a value. The answer is B. Question 7. If score is 50, what prints out? Let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. 50 greater than 50 is false. Equal is not greater. So else runs, which is a fail. Question number 8. What is printed when score is 72? Let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is A. Python checks top to bottom and runs the first true branch only. Question number 9. Nested if. If age equals 14 and ticket equals no, what prints? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. Outer if is true, 14 greater than or equal to 12, inner if is false, ticket not yes, so no ticket prints. Question number 10. And or, which condition must be true for and to be true? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is C. And requires both conditions to be true. Question 11. What is printed if day equals Sunday? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is A. Or is true if at least one condition is true. Sunday matches. Question 12. Which line does iteration start on? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is C. Iteration begins at the for loop line on line number 3. Let's move on to question 13. What is the output? Okay, the correct answer is B. Range 3 produces 0, 1, 2. Let's move on to question 14. Index question. What prints? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is C. Index 0 is the first item, index 2 is the third. Question 15. Fix the code. Which option corrects line number 3? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. Use range len scores in double brackets to loop over valid indexes. What is the output? Let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. While repeats until condition is false, and it prints 0, 1, 2. Question 17. Which line prevents an infinite loop? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is D. Line 4 changes x each loop, so the condition eventually becomes false. Question 18. Validation. What does this loop do? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is B. It keeps asking while the input is not yes and not no. Let's go to question 19. Which relational operator appears on line 2? Okay, let's reveal the answer. The correct answer is A. Less than or equal to means less than or equal to. Let's go to final question, number 20. Output tracing. What prints? Assume the user types age is 15 and student equals yes. Price equals 10. I'll give you a little bit longer on this one. Okay, let's reveal the answers. The correct answer is D. Age is less than 16 sets price to 6. Then student yes subtracts 2 to 4. Really hope you enjoyed the quiz, guys. Please subscribe to the channel to keep the videos coming. Great to see you. Hopefully you got 20 out of 20. Bye-bye!